Excuse me, do you know if the latte here is good?
This is one of the easiest ways to start a conversation with a stranger. In this video, we will look at a full conversation in a coffee line and learn key phrases. Let's dive into the dialogue and see how it flows. Excuse me, do you know if the latte here is good?
Oh yes, it's actually my favorite in this city.
That's good to hear. I really need a caffeine kick.
I feel you. Monday mornings are always the toughest.
Exactly. By the way, is it always this crowded?
Usually, yes, but the line moves pretty fast here.
That's a relief. I have a meeting in 20 minutes.
You'll make it. The baristas here are super efficient.
I hope so. Have you tried their blueberry muffins?
I haven't, but I've heard they are delicious.
Maybe I should grab one. They look freshly baked.
Go for it. Life is too short to skip dessert.
Haha, true. Are you a regular at this cafe?
Yeah, I work just around the corner actually.
Oh, nice. I'm just visiting for a few days.
Welcome to the area. There are many cool spots here.
Thanks. I'd love to explore more later today. Check out the park nearby. It's very peaceful. I will. Oh, look, it's almost our turn now.
Enjoy your coffee. Have a great day ahead.
You too. I hope you enjoyed watching our conversation in the coffee line. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the natural English phrases and useful vocabulary that Alex and I used today. These will help you sound more like a native speaker in your daily life. Phrase 1. A caffeine kick. This means getting energy from drinking coffee or tea to feel more awake. Example: I always drink a double espresso in the morning when I need a serious caffeine kick. Phrase 2. I feel you. This is a friendly way to say you understand and agree with someone's feelings. Example: You're tired of the long commute? I feel you. It's the worst part of the day. Phrase 3. Around the corner. This phrase can mean a place is very nearby or an event is happening very soon. Example: Don't worry about lunch. There's a great sandwich shop just around the corner. Phrase 4. Go for it. An encouraging phrase used to tell someone to do what they are planning to do. Example: If you really want to apply for that new job, just go for it. Phrase 5. A regular. Someone who visits a place like a cafe or restaurant very often. Example: the waiter already knows my order because I'm a regular at this restaurant. That's it for today's lesson. I hope these coffee line phrases help you speak English more naturally. Don't forget to practice by writing your own sentence in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video. Bye.